Good morning.
What's up, everybody?
Everybody. We are about to fly with Fly Nyan. This is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be a helicopter ride over New York City because that's where we're at. It's bright as hell out here, but it's about to be fun. So come with us and check it out. Show laptop.
Pulling on a stick. She's very experienced with sticks.
Very experienced.
They start swinging once you're in there, and pilot talks to you.
It'll be okay. You're gonna love it. Has anyone ever died?
No.
At least.
So what time did you leave this flight? We leave today. Our sunsets are at 6. Supposed to do like next
I'm not actually talking.
Put that all the way down.
Alright, ready?
Yep. For a YouTube video.
Alright, you're gonna have a seat.
Start spreading the news. Of New York City since I was a boy. Most of my work has been live here in New York, because there's tonight, and I don't care how long you've been in this business, there's nothing like singing to live people, baby. It's great. Now we have a brand new song for you.
Oh my gosh, that was pretty crazy. It's kind of freezing now. Pretty cold. So we're getting an Uber. We're going to Central Park because that's what Stephanie wants to see. And then we're getting breakfast food somewhere because that's what I want. We leave early in the morning. She goes back to Oregon like a dumb idiot. And I go back home and I can see my puppies. I pick them up tomorrow. So babies. Yeah, that was pretty crazy. Hey, can I just say something? I'm walking down the street, and why do I have to only be the one to move? Like, everyone just goes, they don't even care. I'm like, I'm moving. I'm like, dodging everybody like the Matrix. And like, they were at the same time. And they don't even care to move at all. So this one time I was like, okay, don't do it, don't move. And then I kind of psyched myself out and I moved, of course, because they're not gonna. And then I did it again. I was like, don't move. And they just go, psh. And then I look back and they look at me like this. And I'm like, what? You didn't move. Why is it my responsibility to always move? That's not fair. So if you're out in public, don't expect everyone else to move because that's not fair. You can move too sometimes. So we are back at our hotel. Rainy, Seppy, look over here.
Huh? Hi.
Should I pay attention? We are tired. We leave literally to the airport at like 4 a.m. Oh, we were like, let's pull an all-nighter. Shall we? This is the last night that we're gonna see each other for a while. We're gonna stay up because we're gonna go to the diner in a little bit and eat again because we can, and because I want to. And then I'm gonna edit tonight, and she's gonna watch Good Behavior. And then that's it.
First, you dreamed up the career.
Then
you put yourself through school.
Good night.